Good morning, equity guys. This is Manjunath, NISM technical analyst. Welcome to Equity Guys stock market pre-market video. So today, let's discuss what had happened in yesterday's market. So Nifty 50 closed 320 points positive, Bank Nifty 707 points positive, Sensex 1022 points positive. All three major indices looking bullish. So data is bullish. India volatility index minus 2.25% changes. That is bringing down the fear, and we can assume like it is becoming a bullish. Next, crude oil December future. If you compare to pre-COVID level price, that is 6,500. Now it is at 5,193. It is called bullishness. Then now let's discuss about Nifty 50. See, Nifty 50, what it happened in yesterday's. See, in the beginning itself, there is a strong Marabozu candle, green candle. The candle low and open is equal to same and close. Then there is a first 15 minutes high is taken out. In pre-market video yesterday, I clearly said, see, the data based on FIS and the India Volatility Index and sectorals, the banking sector is indicating as a bullishness. So first 15 minutes high is gone means change your mindset to bullishness. See, once the 15 minutes high is gone, then there is a super bullish rally which is closing near 320 points, friends. 300 points. That is super bullishness indicating. In daytime frame, if you go, see, you can see a strong green candle, which is taking out this trend line breakout. Trend line breakout means if you draw a higher high of these red candles, you can see that there is a trend line breakout which is indicating and sustaining above that one, which is indicating a super bullishness. If you see here, there is a double top, then there is a breakout, then there is a somehow recovery or price correction, then there is a strong bullishness which is near to all-time high. Okay, so data is bullish. Now let's go to sectoral indices. All sectoral indices are looking bullishness. So data is bullish. Advanced decline ratio 2,285 companies closed positive. So data bullish. Nifty 50, 45 companies closed positive. So Nifty 50 is so strong that it is indicating as a bullishness. Nifty Bank super bullish. Once again, it's all-time high. You can see it's a all-time high in a daily time frame. See, it's a all-time high once again. So the bank nifty is also suggesting as a super bullish. Now let's go to option chain. We will select 2nd December 2025 and Nifty 50 option chain. In the money call option is buying, out of the money call option is buying. So super bullish. In the money put option, out of the money put option selling. So super bullish. So put sellers, calls buyers. So you can see a large order at 26,000 levels. 2600 levels. Okay, so I will call this 26,100 as a strong support zone. Let's go to PCR. PCR ratio is almost in overbought zone. You can see here, it's almost near overbought zone, 1.55%. So PCR ratio is suggesting something like A-shape recovery may possible or profit booking is possible. Let's see. Based on that one, let's go to FIDI data. 4,778 crores FIS. Welcome back. So they had invested in Indian stock market. So welcome. DIS also invested. So data super bullish. FIS index futures also invested in stock futures also they had invested. So it's super bullish data. Global market. First, let's go to US futures. US 30 positive, US 500 positive, neutral to positive, US 100 neutral to positive data. Cash market. First, US market closed positively. Dow Jones, S&P 500, then Nasdaq closed positive. So super bullish. The European market, DAX closed positive. If they said closed positive, CAC 40 closed positive, super bullish. Asian market, Nikkei positive. Hang Seng yesterday closed positive. Kospi, it's running at 1% positive. So data is suggesting bullishness. ADRs, there is a demand for Infosys ADR, there is a demand for ICICI, HDFC, and Dr. Reddy's Lab. There is some correction in prior Wipro ADR. So there is some selling, some hot selling, but 4 stocks are in demand. So I call it as bullish. Based on that one, let's plan for the day. So first Nifty December future, if you compare with mother indices, that is whether there is a demand in derivative segments. Yes, there is a demand in derivative segments, which is indicating us a somehow bullishness of 175 points. Bank Nifty December future, if you compare with Nifty's Nifty Bank, there is also it's running at premium price bullishness. India volatility index is minus 2% change, that is neutral to bullish. Gift Nifty. If you compare Gift Nifty to Nifty December future, it's running at premium price. Premium price means say 437, 26,000, 437, 26,381. So you can see around 50 points possibility of bullishness. So I call this as a super bullish data, or there is a possibility of gap up. There is a possibility of gap up. Based on that one, let's mark support and resistance. First resistance 26,215, that is yesterday's high. Then 26,246, second resistance. Then all-time high is our third resistance. So I call it as 26,215 and 26,277. There is no much difference, but I am expecting all-time high today. The date is 27 November 2025, which is taking out 27 September 2024's high. Okay, remember 27, 27. At the same time, let's go for support side. 25,842 is first support, 25,740 is our second support, 25,695 is a gap zone. Then we have a long 25,450 is our third support zone. So the supports are too far, so marks multiples of 100. So remember 26,100 will be your strong support zone for the day. Okay, so what should be your plan? Intraday point of view. Intraday point of view, no, stochastic RSI is not suggesting as a oversold zone. So we are not going to invest anything. So we are still in the zone of in neutral zone. Now, intraday point of view, data is super bullish. So I'm suggesting the data gift nifty is suggesting gap up. So buy and dip market, simple. Okay, but PCI ratio is at 1.55. There might be some selling from all-time high or 26,300, but the data is still bullish. So enjoy trading today. All the best. Thank you.